Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, we are learning about teeth. Yes, children. We have done many activities, kinds of teeth, arrangement of teeth, activity. Yes, children. Yesterday we have discussed about these parts of a tooth. Yes, this is the tooth structure. Yes, this first part, what? Enamel. It is very hard. Understand, children? And later inside the enamel, dentine is present. This also very hard. And inside the dentine, the smooth part is there. That is what? Pulp. That is what, ma? Pulp. In this pulp, we can see nerves and blood vessels. So blood vessels supply the blood and nerves help in feel, touch, cold, understand, children, heart, like that. Okay, children. So this tooth has mainly two parts. The upper part, which we can see, that is what? Crown. And the inner part that fix in the gum attached to the bony structure. Understand, children? So that is what? Root, which we can't see. Yes, children. Now today, cavities in teeth. Cavities in teeth. Cavities means nothing but holes. Understand, children? Cavities means what? Nothing but holes. So holes in teeth. How? Yeah, we see. If food particles remain trapped in between the teeth, a sticky layer called plaque forms on the teeth. Microbes feed on plaque and produce acids as waste. See, children. While eating food, some food particles remain in between the teeth gaps. Understand, children? If remain that food particles there, that form a sticky layer. What? A sticky layer. These sticky layer we called plaque. Understand, children? What? Plaque. A sticky layer on the teeth. Yes. So microbes feed on plaque. Microbes means what? Microorganisms. Nothing but germs. Understand, children? Microbes, microorganisms, germs, all are same. Understand, children? So microbes means what? A small, tiny organisms. Very small. Understand, children? We can't see with our naked eyes. We can see only with the help of microscope. Understand, children? So these microbes, these microorganisms, these germs feed on plaque, means eat this plaque. Understand, children? Later, these microbes produce acids as waste. Acids, very danger substance, harmful substance to the teeth. Understand, children? So then what will happen? See, the acid attack the enamel, slowly making a hole that leaves the inner parts of the tooth exposed. So the tooth becomes open to further infection in the pulp. This can be very painful. See, children. So these acids attack the enamel. Actually, enamel is the hardest substance. Understand, children? So these acids attack the enamel, damage the enamel. First enamel, later inside part what? Dentine, and later pulp. So this slowly attacked first enamel, next inner part, and the last is pulp. So make a hole on teeth. So automatically exposed inner parts. Understand, children? What is the inner part in the tooth? That is pulp. Understand, children? So pulp is a very soft part, and this pulp has what inside? A nerves and blood vessels. So these nerves and blood vessels exposed through this opening hole. Understand, children? Then we feel very pain. Understand, children? And these germs enter into the pulp, damage the pulp, damage the nerves, damage the blood vessels inside the teeth. Understand, children? So it is very painful. So these holes are called what? Dental cavities. So already we have discussed what cavity means, holes. Where we have discussed about teeth. So dental cavities. Understand, children? Yeah. So be very careful. Yeah. Taking care of teeth. So teeth are very important to us. Teeth are doing many things, many functions. That's why very important. Understand, children? So that's why we have to take care of our teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day. Yes, when you wake up and when you go to bed, you can brush 2 times. Twice means what? Two. Twice a day, 2 times a day. Understand? Yeah, next. Avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Yes, do you like, children, sweets and chocolates? Yes, everybody likes. But don't eat too much. Okay, eat one or two, but don't eat too much. Okay, children. So these sweets damage our teeth. So avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates. Massage the gums with finger. Yes. So we brush our teeth with a toothbrush. Yes, children. So these brush clean our teeth. Understand? So what about gums? So massage the gums with your finger. After brushing, while washing your mouth, put your finger into the mouth and massage your gums out. Upper jaw and lower jaw, both. Massage your gums with your finger. Understand, children? So plaque form on this gum also. Okay? So there also you should clean. Next, floss your teeth. Floss means cleaning the gap between the teeth. Yeah, now only we have discussed what? Food particles remain trapped in the gap of the teeth. So you should clean that gap also. Floss your teeth with floss thread. Understand, children? Yes. Wash your mouth after every meal. Whatever you eat, whenever you eat something, understand, children? Every time you have to wash your mouth. Okay? Yes. Clean your tongue with the help of a cleaner. Yes. So, some plaque form on tongue also. So, clean your tongue with tongue cleaner. Tongue cleaner available in the market. So, buy that and clean your tongue regularly with tongue cleaner only. Be careful, children. Understand? Yeah. The finally, visit the dentist regularly for a checkup after 3 or 4 months, every time, every 3 months or every 6 months. Visit the dentist Visit the doctor regularly for regular checkup for good healthy teeth. Understand, children? Understand the lesson? Yes, ma'am. This is all about teeth. Okay? Yes. Thank you.